Morning everyone, and welcome to today's trading analysis on the 30th of March 2022. And it appears that we have gone through a breakthrough weekend. We managed to close above quite significant moving averages, and we should potentially start looking at having a bullish bias going into the next few weeks. And jumping right into the Bitcoin chart, on the weekly scale, you can see we are now trading on a green 3. Last week in my analysis, I said that if the weekly 2 goes above the wick of the week 1, which is the previous week, that could be a buy signal, but because it was below the 21 moving average, it would be a difficult trade. So I didn't jump into that trade, and I waited for the price to go above the 21 moving average and then close there. So this happened this weekend, and now I am looking for a little bit of a pullback to start adding to my position. On the daily scale, you can see that we perfectly got rejected off the 200-day moving average. We broke out of this ascending triangle, and my expectation would be for the price to sort of just push down, maybe down to about $45,000 before it then goes further up. So this really is a buy zone for me. The funding rate is not really saying anything except that there are still more longs than shorts, so it does favor more downside, unfortunately, at the moment. XRP is in the same place. It has closed the week above the 200-day moving average, so trading on a green 3. On the daily scale on XRP, you can see that it has formed this rising wedge. Right onto the 200-day moving average, so the expectation would be first a little bit of downside, maybe a retest of this area, and then upside. And then if we move over to the dollar, you can see that I do think that this little bit of a fall in the dollar or weakening in the dollar has created a little bit of energy in the crypto prices, and my analysis still stands. I do think that the dollar is going to stay in this range for a little bit. As the dollar goes up, crypto is going to go down, and it's going to be the seesaw effect for a while until the dollar finally breaks upwards. The stock market, the S&P 500 and the futures are looking absolutely phenomenal. You can see it's now made a higher high. Yesterday it's closed above the previous high. It's above the 200-day moving average. It's moving upwards. It's really looking like it wants to break the all-time highs at this stage. So these are the reasons why you should start looking at bullish positions. But remember that nothing goes up in a straight line, so a little bit of a pullback is really the pullbacks that you should be looking at buying. Chasing the market usually gets you into trouble. On the bot trading front, my parameters are still on the 30 minutes, and I have moved it up a little bit more bullish. I went buying at 30 and selling at 70, I think. And my last couple of trades, there was 1 or 2 dud trades, but also 1 or 2 profitable trades. And you can see that if you had to buy at this area here, you would have probably sold around here. And then if you bought around there, which is there, and then you would have sold this was the least profitable one, that one there, and then now there's another buy zone here. Taking in a little bit more of a bullish position on the bot trading parameters because of this bullish environment. We are now trading above the 50-day moving average, and those are the reasons why I believe that we should have a little bit more of a bullish outlook. All in all, I think the market is now trading above the 21 moving average. That usually is a bullish situation. We are going to move into a resistance zone now, so expecting either a little bit of upside and then a pullback, or a pullback now. I have moved my crypto into a 60-40 position, so I'm slightly a bit more bullish than I was in the past, but I would be looking for a sell zone if I find the price is looking weak. But what I would do is I would add to my position maybe up to 75% if this price comes down to the 21 moving average. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and let's see you on the next one.